Thank you for the opportunity to present and comment on the proposed curriculum and assessment bill. This proposal and this planned review of the curriculum in Wales comes at a really timely and pivotal moment in Wales and in the world. We have huge challenges facing all of us in Wales at the moment with the coronavirus, Black Lives Matters, and it's never been more important to equip our young people with the right skills that they need to meet these challenges. So for those reasons, we really welcome this proposed bill and the scale of the changes proposed. We welcome the shift in autonomy to give greater powers to teachers and to schools. However, we would like to balance that with the need to increase the diversity of the teaching workforce currently in Wales. It is less than 1% of teachers who come from Black and minority ethnic backgrounds, compared to over 10% of the school-age population who are from BAME backgrounds. So that needs to be balanced if young people and pupils are to have role models which adequately reflect the world. And we also feel that that teachers need to be more equipped and resourced and supported and trained to deliver the vision of this new curriculum. Within the current framework, there does not seem to be a great deal of emphasis on how teachers will be supported and how this new vision will be resourced. And these concerns have come from our conversations that we've been having through EAST, the charity that I head up, Ethnic Minorities and Youth Support Team, with a great number of Black and minority ethnic young people across Wales. And they very much welcome the bill, but they have some concerns about diversity of the workforce and equipping the workforce and teachers to really deliver this vision, to really ensure that everybody can benefit and can learn in the best way in the future. Thank you.